Morning guys, and welcome to another video. You can see Alina behind me and two of our friends. Luis.
I'm Satria.
And Satria, this man you might have seen in a previous vlog. He's my barber and personal friend as well. So those two guys are taking us on a trip to Nusa Penida. We're going for 2 nights and we hope it's gonna be fun. So guys, if you wanted to go to Nusa Penida and you are thinking about booking something online, all those are sellers, yeah? So we do have about 50 sellers, and you definitely can negotiate better price if you come in here and discuss. Yeah. Just make sure you check the price before online so you know what price to deal. So guys, we paid 300,000 Indonesian rupiahs per person to go there and back. So return ticket to Nusa Penida per person is 300,000 at the moment. I'm not sure if it's because of the Corona price or our local friends can deal a better price, but that's the price at the moment. Guys, how long does it take to Nusa Penida?
Like 30 minutes or 45 minutes?
30-45. Okay, this is our boat. We're just waiting to get there. We need to cross that water. That's why bare feet. That's the only way, right? So we successfully arrived. It took us about 30 minutes by a speedboat. Really easy way to get to Nusa Penida.
Yeah, it was nice, right?
Yeah, very smooth. And we waited for our friends. They went to find the bikes, scooters for 2 days. Apparently they can deal a better price, because if the foreigner goes, you're always gonna get a way higher price. So they went, we are waiting on the side, and then we will be heading to our place. Guys, so these are new bikes. We had a bit of trouble, didn't we?
Yeah.
Had a bit of trouble to find a bike, but good people of Nusa Penida helped us out. And we're hopping on the bikes in a minute and going to our place as said before. Guys, and we arrived to our place. Luckily we managed to get 2 scooters. Locals helped us out. I just want to show you quickly our place. So this place is called Kelingking Penida Resort, and right in the center you have a large swimming pool and few of those huts. I am not sure how many of them. 10, yeah? 10 of them. Let's just go quickly to the room. It's very simple but really comfortable, very clean. Hotel is brand new. Yeah, if you see those walls and the roof like that, very simple, but yeah, as I said, it's very clean, smells fresh, and I actually like the bathroom as well. Look at that, open roof and little toilet. Alright, we're gonna chill for a bit because it is really hot. Possibly gonna get some food, and then we are headed to the beach. Right, we're finishing our room. Thank you. And we headed to the beach now, guys.
No.
Let's go.
Kelingking Beach.
Kelingking Beach, it is. right,
Made it.
arrived to Kelingking Beach. It's down there, so we're gonna slowly climb down. Apparently all 4 of us are going down, and it takes apparently 1 hour. Our scooter is there.
We will see. Look at this.
Yeah, we have a flip-flops on, so
Again?
we didn't really think, and that must be Alina's impact on me. Just going in a flip-flops everywhere we go, even climbing the... Right, and we made it. What do you think?
Wow.
I must say,
Look at the water.
in person it looks... I cannot even explain it. It's probably the most beautiful thing I ever seen.
Yeah.
Do you agree? Okay, these guys are getting ready, and we're gonna climb it down, I think that way, and all the way that way, and down to the beach. Wish us luck. This way. Let's go. Oh, but look at the color. Look at the colors over here. Jesus Christ. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, it looks like we are halfway. It's really difficult, really difficult. Make sure you've got proper shoes. Guys, so we made it. We made it, and it was the most difficult climb of our life. And guess what? Neither of us has taken any water. So we are literally with 0 water, and there is nobody who sells the water. Unbelievable. Guys, just look at that. We climbed from all the way there. How long did it take us?
I don't even know. I lost
45 minutes to 1 hour, I think. The most difficult thing, for sure. And I don't know how we will deal without the water.
What do you think? Was it worth?
Let us know in the comments down below if you would go somewhere like that without the water. Definitely bring a lot of water with you. And definitely have appropriate shoes.
Right shoes. It's the key.
And you need to be physically very ready. Like we have been climbing quite a lot in the last half year, but this is definitely the most challenging climb we did. So you need to be really ready for that.
Well, if I made it, then anyone can make it.
But she's trained. Are you trained? Rate this beach.
Rate?
0 to 10.
10. Definitely 10.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful, guys. Beach is absolutely stunning. And it's well worth to climb. It's probably the worst climb, as I said before, but it's definitely worth it. It's absolutely beautiful. Guys, it's been amazing here.
Oh yeah.
But it looks like rain will be coming soon.
We need to run away.
So we need to go back to our place, and probably we see you over there if we won't stop somewhere else. But did you enjoy?
Oh yes.
Kelingking Beach is absolutely amazing place, so make sure you come here. Shout out to those 2 guys who took us there. Guys, if you think I'm bullshitting and it's difficult, she's going barefoot as well, so well done. I'm so proud on her. But this is how steep it is. It is literally crazy steep. Crazy. It literally is mental. You climb it like that. This is, I'd say, what is it, like almost like a 90 degrees, super steep, and all you use is those holes in the rock. It's mental.